Infostretch Ignite is the initiative that 1,000 plus Infoneers have cultivated to ignite and empower that change in our communities. Inspired by Salesforce initiative of 1% pledge, Infoneers have taken the pledge to donate 1% of our profit, 1% of our product, and 1% of our time to help bring the change in our community.
Ignite is ingrained in every Infoneer's heart. We realize at Infostretch that we live in a world where everything is overly abundant. In contrast, there is a world out there where basic food, water, even basic clothing is a challenge for people. This uncomfortable thought caused the founders of Infostretch to create this initiative called Ignite, which is a cause for underprivileged.
At Infostretch, our purpose is not a set of binary choices. Sales growth versus making a world a better place. Doing good for us versus good for others. Growth versus making change. When I look at Infostretch Ignite, I'm really proud of some of the things which have happened. First, Infostretch Ignite has chosen some of the really groundbreaking and really authentic projects. We have not chosen to just fund certain NGOs, sign checks and do a photo op. We have been involved in designing the ideas, in developing those ideas further, choosing locations, working on the curriculum, working on happy period kits, packing it, shopping for those pets, everything. Finally, I'm really amazed, surprised and humbled by the participation of Infoneers. They have gone beyond the normal call of their duty. They have made sacrifices, they have donated time, money, effort, and to make this a grand success.